Hi guys, it's Michelle Knight from Little Miss Bookkeeping, and in this video I'm going to show you how to register a business name. So it's a pretty straightforward process. You will need to sign up for an ASIC Connect login if you haven't already done so. In this instance I have, so I won't be going through that in detail, but I will be going through the registration process once we can log in. So first step is you'll navigate to the ASIC Connect website and you'll go ahead and log into your ASIC Connect portal. You'll connect this if you've got an existing business with an existing ABN, so you can do this directly through the ASIC website and sign up here. I already got one of those, so I'm just going to copy and paste my login details. These will be blanked out for privacy purposes. Once we go ahead and log in, we can actually see any transactions that are already in here. Again, these will be blanked out for privacy purposes. What we can do is navigate to the right hand side where we have a whole lot of options as to what we can do in the ASIC portal. In this instance, we want to register a new business name for this company. So we'll go ahead and register business name. You'll go ahead in the drop down and apply business name registration. And just take a minute to review this information here. I've read through this before, so I'll go ahead and tick the check boxes to confirm that I'm aware of all these things and I'm compliant, and we'll hit get started. Okay, so as I've mentioned, this company or this business already has an ABN, so we can go ahead and select that box. Just go ahead and read through all the other options there if the first one doesn't yet apply. I'm just going to copy and paste the ABN here and hit next. Okay, so I'm just checking that the ABR details are correct. I've put in the correct ABN. I haven't copied and pasted some random ABN that's not mine. Again, these will be blanked out for privacy reasons. We're going to go ahead and put in the business name that I want to register. So we will check the name availability. And in this case, we don't have any other businesses with this business name. It's turned up green. If there was an issue, similar business names pop up, and that will kind of prompt you to consider having another business name. Maybe it's similar because you already hold the other business names. So there's some additional guidance with ASIC if you want to determine if that's available. In this case, we're all good. And yes, so any existing names will appear at the bottom. If you scroll down, we will get to an area if you want to apply for register your business name for 1 year or 3 years. 1 year is $37, 3 years is $88. I'm going to go ahead and select the 3-year option. And then we have an option to, end in exactly, to renew in exactly 3 years, or when, in this case, this is a company. If you want it to end at the annual review date, I'm just going to have it to end, or to renew, sorry, in 3 years. Okay, and you will then go ahead and put in the relevant contact details that ASIC can hold. So I'll go ahead and select that. And because I already have business name attached to this business, I've already got a drop down of already pre-filled data. So that makes things a lot easier. I will select the address and confirm. I'll go ahead and put in the physical premises of the business. So this can't be a PO box. I'll confirm the email address I'm already using. And I mean, if you want to put an SMS, you can. I'm just going to leave it email. I mean, I've never had any issues receiving ASIC notifications by email. So I will go ahead and select next. I'm just going to review the eligibility, making sure I'm compliant. Hit the checkbox and then select next. Awesome. So again, I'm just checking the details. The business name's available. I'm going to register for 3 years for $88. I'm just checking that I've put in the correct details for, service of documents, where the business is, and email. I have selected the eligibility and I will hit submit. Cool. And I will go ahead and read the declarations to make sure that these are all correct. And hit next. Okay, so we get to the section where we can pay by credit card, which I will do. You also have the option to pay later, which just means that ASIC will email you an invoice that you'll need to pay within 48 hours. And then if you don't, your business name won't be registered until you do so. So I'll go ahead and select the Visa card option and submit. Amazing. So we now have the business name successfully registered. We'll get an email from ASIC, confirming this registration. We can print the transaction, which I like to do just to keep for my records in case something funny happens at the ASIC end. And that downloads the notification there. I also like to print a copy of the actual screen. Like to keep correct records, so I'll do that as well. And that is it. It is simple as that to register your business name once you've got your ASIC login. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to us. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.